everyone, my name's Christy. Welcome to my corner. Thank you for joining me today on this Tuesday where I will unbox the Stitchybox Stash Delights box for April 2021. And this is my last box. I got 4 months and I enjoyed it, but I kind of want to try other things, so this will be the last one. This should be a pretty quick one. All I've done was open it and like destroy the box, so I need to make sure things don't fall out. But I will just start with the letter, the first paragraph of the letter, and then move on from there and show you the goodies that are inside. So according to the letter, this month I'm focused on the beautiful candy-light colors of springtime. In addition to our fun collection of threads in this shipment, you'll find a little something to help make spring sparkle and a little tool to keep things where they should be. Now, I got an email from Liz at Stitchybox in, I want to say March, asking if we preferred bees or butterflies. I chose bees. If anyone chose butterflies, let me know because I want to see what you got. Because so far of the people I know who get this, everyone chose bees. But let's dig in. So it comes with this pretty purple packaging and that's what it looks like. So let's see what we have here. We have Butterfield lemon buds, hard candy with a juicy lemon tang. So it looks like it's lemon hard candy. So that's fun. Ooh, beautiful. So this much must be the tool to keep things where they should be. So this just looks like a pretty little booklet. I'm struggling here. I'm struggling with my pretty little booklet. It's just wrapped around. That was a struggle. So this, I think, is just this is just a little pretty book to put notes in. It's nice paper. It's very nice paper, and it's got this beautiful cover that is embroidered. This is an embroidered cover, embroidered paper. And it has a little booklet, a cute little pattern. This is a Virlanda style chart that can be monochrome. Basically, it's like a little sampler. And then we got a little baggie that I will put with my other baggies. So this usually holds the floss and sometimes other goodies. So let's see what we have here. It has Swarovski 3mm Rose Montease Light Topaz Shimmer. Those are very, very pretty. And it looks like, yeah, so it looks like they are beads. They have holes in them. And then we have some of the flosses. So we have Spring Candy. This is the Flower Silk duo, I'm assuming. We have Fiber on a Whim Pink Lemonade. And this is I'm assuming cotton floss. We have a Stitchy Silk Electric Grape. We have Dinky Dyes Citrus. Dinky Dyes Daydream One of a Kind. One of OOAK One of a Kind colorway. And then Stitchy Silk Soft Spearmint, which is pretty. And then it looks like there's one more thing in this baggie here. And it is a tiny little needle minder, it looks like. So I'm not quite sure what the bee or butterfly thing was. That's interesting. I'll have to check out Pam from Stitching the Land of Good Enough. She posted her unboxing yesterday. I haven't watched it yet. So I'll have to watch that and see if she got anything bee related, because she also chose bee. And then a pretty little bag. I'm pretty sure the pretty little bag is empty now. And there's nothing bee related. Oh well, it looks like that's it. So we got a little Sari silk bag. We got a little needle minder. We got a bunch of flosses that are mostly silk. I mean, at least 5 of these are silk. I don't think that the Fiber on a Whim is silk, but the rest of these are silk. That's a pretty great That's nice. And this color is really pretty. That'll look nice for something. A chart. A little booklet. Some sparkles, sparkly crystals, and lemon buds. I don't know. Nothing about bees in the letter, so I don't know. Either way, that is my April Stitchybox Stash Delights box. And like I said, that'll be the last one that I get. I got 4 months and I feel good about that, and I enjoyed getting them. And I kind of am looking forward to trying something new. I think that's it from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on Friday for my floss tubes. So please take care of yourselves and have a good one. Bye.